Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a Microsoft Store error 0x80070520 on your Windows computer. So if you're coming across this issue when you're trying to open up apps in the Windows App Store perhaps, this tutorial will go about resolving the issue without too much of a hassle. And we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, type in WS reset, so again WS RESET, best match to come back with WS reset here. You want to go ahead and right click on that, and then left click on run as administrator. Give it a moment here. And once it's open, you should be good to go. So hopefully that would have been able to resolve the problem. If not, you can close out of there and then open up the start menu, type in troubleshoot. Best match to come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. On the right side, you want to scroll down until you get somewhere near the bottom where it says Windows Store Apps. Troubleshoot problems that may prevent Windows Store Apps from working properly. So go ahead and left click on that and then select Run the Troubleshooter. And if it suggests that you sign up with a Microsoft account or something along those lines, I'd suggest following along with it. Each case might be a little bit unique, so just follow along with whatever suggestions are prompted to you. So again, in my case, it just asked me to link a Microsoft account. So, perhaps that was your problem. Maybe you are logged into a local account that doesn't have an email connected to it, in which case you need to set that up before you can actually get your apps working again. Or it could be able to identify a different issue as well. So just want to put it out there. Just want to give you guys a couple different methods on how to go about fixing this issue. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.